Hello all, a warm day to all. My topic for presentation is Physics of Idakka. My name is Nishant P and I am a research scholar from School of Pure and Applied Physics, Kannur University, Kerala. And I have done my research work under Dr. K.M. Udayanandan, Department of Physics, SN College, Vadagara. Introduction. The construction and sound producing mechanism is peculiar in Idakka in comparison with the other pitched drums in India. The present Idakka may be developed from the drum Mandi Dakka with a similar construction described in old Tamil literature Sangeeta Ratnakara. An idakka consists of a barrel of length about 9 inches made with jackwood and the drum is played with a stick. The drum consists of two thin wires placed across the drum head covered with the thin skin of a cow. There is no loading to stretch the membrane on the drum head. The instrument player moves the body made with jackwood upward and downward with the left hand to stretch the circular membrane that produces the pitched sound. A typical idakka played in temples of Kerala is shown in the figure. In ordinary drums, the frequencies generated by striking the drum head are not integer multiple of the lowest frequency, and hence their sound has no musical character. In other words, they do not produce pitched tones. Like other drums, idakka consists of a single circular membrane. But the variations in tension, its particular design, etc., contributes to the generation of harmonics. A wooden barrel of idakka is shown in the figure. As the tension on the drum head can be varied to a large extent, a wide range of tones are produced on the drum. The presence of many higher harmonics produces the richness for the tones produced by the instrument. The air inside the wooden cavity of the drum is pushed inward and outward during the vibration of the membrane through small hole at the central region of the wooden body. The wooden pegs on the drum are used to fine-tune the sound produced by idakka. The soft sound generated by the drum conveys the sense of joy and happiness. Materials and method. Different software are available on the internet that plot the frequency spectrum from the sound sample. Visual Analyzer, a free real-time software, is used in this study. The sound samples of Idakka are collected and played using the audio player on a phone. The spectrum of the real-time sound sample is obtained using the option Capture Spectrum in the software. The frequency ratio is calculated for different peaks observed in the spectrum. Results and discussion. The drum idakka is capable to generate tones with perfect harmonics. A trained artist can generate music on the drum. In Kerala, famous idakka artists play popular film and folk songs on idakka. Many years of practice and rigorous training is needed to assimilate the correct positions on the drum head to produce swaras in the musical scale. The frequency spectrum of a particular stroke on idakka is given in figure 3. The frequency spectrum of the particular stroke of idakka is shown in the figure. The frequencies present in the spectrum are shown in table 1. The 5 peaks and the corresponding frequencies are obtained from the spectrum and the corresponding ratio is calculated with respect to the lowest frequency. One can find that there is an integer multiple ratio for the different peaks. In ordinary drums, there are degenerate modes of vibration. When tension is applied on the drum head, these degenerate modes vibrate at higher frequencies. The careful shifting of the tension maintains the modes to vibrate at the frequencies that are integer multiple of the fundamental. From figure 3, it is clear that the most excited mode with the prominent peak is the fundamental. The second and third peaks have moderate height. The second highest peak is observed at the fourth position. Conclusion. Dakka stroke, its prominent modes excited during vibration are studied. The frequency spectrum of the sound sample is analyzed using a free software visual analyzer. The drum Idakka produces perfect harmonics and hence it is a good musical drum. The drum can be considered as a unique Indian contribution to musical instruments. These are the references used for my studies and thank you.